when it contracts, and when momentum is about to change direction. It transforms the screen from random movement into a language of rhythm and flow. The Zeus scalping auto signal is not merely a technical instrument, it represents an entirely new way of thinking about markets. It teaches traders to analyze objectively, to trust data over emotion, and to see probability where others see uncertainty. Each signal carries a simple but powerful message: follow the flow of money, never resist it. Because in trading, success comes not from fighting the market, but from aligning with its direction. When a buy signal appears, it signifies strength the moment when demand outweighs supply, and capital begins to drive price upward. When a sell signal is triggered, it reflects the withdrawal of liquidity, a shift where sellers take control and buyers retreat. The trader's responsibility is to move with these flows, not against them. The auto signal system provides the structure and clarity to do just that confidently, consistently, and without hesitation. The purpose of Zeus scalping is to help traders not only receive signals, but also comprehend the reasoning behind them. When you understand why a signal is generated, you no longer depend blindly on indicators. You start to develop a sense for the rhythm of price, similar to how a musician feels the tempo of a song. Over time, volatility stops being something to fear. It becomes familiar, predictable, and manageable. You begin to recognize that each price move has a cause, each pause has a purpose, and each reversal has logic behind it. Trading, at its core, is not luck. It is the balance between probability and discipline. The auto signal system embodies that philosophy. It does not aim to replace the human mind. Rather, it complements it, enhancing decision making, removing emotional bias, and allowing for calm execution even in the most volatile market conditions. It is a partnership between human intuition and machine precision, where both coexist to create a more efficient, data driven form of trading. As the system continues to operate, it constantly learns and adapts to evolving market behavior. Every new candle, every movement, every fluctuation adds to its database of understanding. It observes, interprets, and refines, maintaining accuracy even in an ever changing environment. Traders who follow this logic begin to see patterns more clearly and make decisions grounded in evidence rather than emotion. Let the chart flow naturally. Allow the AI to continue analyzing and generating signals as the market unfolds. Observe how price responds to each movement, study the rhythm of volatility, and learn how logic triumphs over emotion. The more you watch, the more you understand. And the more you understand, the more control you gain over your trades. Zeus scalping. AutoSignal is more than a tool, it is a mindset, one that blends human understanding with artificial intelligence to bring order, structure, and balance to the unpredictable world of markets. It reminds every trader that mastery is not about predicting the future, but about interpreting the present with clarity and confidence. Zeus Scalping AutoSignal is an advanced automated trading system engineered to detect, calculate, and update buy and sell signals in real time. It was created to bring precision and consistency into the trading process, something every trader seeks but few truly master. The foundation of the system lies in the range filter algorithm, a sophisticated model that blends price action with volatility detection to filter out noise and reveal the market's true rhythm. Instead of reacting to every small fluctuation, it identifies only the most probable and meaningful reversal zones. When a candle closes above the green line, the system recognizes the emergence of bullish momentum and triggers a BI signal. When the candle closes below the red line, it confirms that bearish sentiment has taken control and activates a sell signal. Everything is processed automatically, with no emotional bias, no hesitation, and no subjective interpretation. The trader's role becomes simple: follow the direction of the latest signal, manage risk effectively, and exit when an opposite signal appears. The intelligence that powers Zeus' scalping auto signal is designed to behave unlike a human being. It does not know fear, greed, or impatience. It relies solely on real data, probability analysis, and pattern confirmation. This objectivity is what separates automated logic from emotional trading. While human traders might second-guess themselves or chase losses, the AI acts only when the evidence aligns, maintaining discipline with mathematical precision. It turns chaos into structure, uncertainty into clarity, and emotion into logic. Behind every signal lies a complex network of calculations running continuously in the background. The range filter algorithm observes the pulse of the market, measuring the strength and volatility of each movement. It learns to distinguish between shallow corrections and true reversals, reacting only when a significant shift in momentum occurs. During sideways or consolidating markets, the system remains silent, waiting patiently. But when large institutional flows enter the market, it responds immediately, highlighting the precise moment when opportunity becomes visible. This ability to stay still during noise and move during clarity is what gives the system its exceptional accuracy. Zeus scalping encourages traders to integrate the auto signal system with broader contextual analysis. Like any great strategy, it becomes stronger when supported by volume data, supply and demand zones, and macroeconomic conditions. For example, when a buy signal appears within a demand zone, an area where price has historically rebounded,